हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, तो हम देखेंगे आज हमारी खोज जो स्कॉलरशिप टेस्ट था उसके सेट जो फेज 2 था उसके सॉल्यूशंस। तो फर्स्ट वी विल सी दी सॉल्यूशंस ऑफ द मेंटल एबिलिटी क्वेश्चंस। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, व्हाट इज द नंबर ऑफ ऑड डेज इन अ लीप ईयर? हाउ मेनी ऑड डेज इन अ लीप ईयर? किसी भी लीप ईयर में ऑड डेज कितने होते हैं? देन व्हाट इज द लीप ईयर? A year which have 366 days. तो लीप ईयर में डेज होते हैं 366. So we want to find the number of odd days. So 366 divided by 7. 7 5 are 35. 16. 7 2 are 14. So remainder is 2. So 52 weeks are complete week. 52 week in the leap year. So odd days are 2. So answer is B. Next, question number second. Question number second, Asa introducing Asa to guess, Bhaskar said, her father is the only son of my father. How is the Asa related to the Bhaskar? Her father is the only son of my father. Means Bhaskar की जो फादर है, तो भास्कर के फादर का ओनली सन कौन हुआ? ओनली भास्कर. हर फादर इज द ओनली सन ऑफ माय फादर. हर फादर इज द ओनली सन ऑफ माय फादर. सो आशा इज द डॉटर ऑफ द भास्कर. सो ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज द राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, find out the missing number in the following sequence. तो 1 3 3 6 7 9 question mark 12 and 21. तो दिस इज द ट्विन सीरीज. यहां से देखिए 1 2 3 3 2 7 7 2 question mark and 21. और नेक्स्ट क्या है? 3 6 9 12. तो ये तो सेपरेट है 3 6 9 and 12. बट सेकेंड कौन सी है जिसमें हमारा फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स आ रहा है? 1 3 7 क्वेश्चन मार्क एंड 21. 1 3 7 क्वेश्चन मार्क एंड 21 मीन्स 1 plus 2 3 3 plus 4 7 7 plus 6 13 and 13 plus 8 21. So answer is 13. Option number D is the right answer. Question number 4. In a certain code language, tears is written in this form: V, W, X, and Y. And man is coded as 1, 2, 3. Then how would you code resentment? तो in place of R हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? Y. In place of E, W. In place of S, Z. In place of E is W. In place of N, 3. In place of T, V. In place of M, 1. In place of E, W. In place of N, 3. And in place of T, V. V, W, Z, W3, V1, W3V. So option number D is the right answer. Question number 5. Find the value of the missing term. What is the value of the missing term? So 16 minus 12 plus 9 minus 5. So 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Similarly, 15 minus 13 plus 11 minus 9. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 18 minus 15 plus 9 minus 7. 3 plus 2, so answer is 5. So option number D is the right answer, 5. Question number 6. In the middle value is 492, 572, then what is the in place of question mark? So 5 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 8 plus 7 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 9. 6 5 are 30, so 240 is the product of this. 28 multiplied by 9, 243. 28 into 9, 72, 7, 252. So 252. So sum of this 294, 492. Similarly in this 4 multiplied with 3 multiplied with 5 plus 7 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 5. 60 plus 70. So answer is 130. Option number B is the right answer. Question number 7. A die is thrown from 4 types and its 4 different positions given below. Find the number on the face opposite to the face showing 2. Means which number is opposite to the 2. First figure 2 है and 3 और 4 showing हो रहा है. It means 3 और 4 तो 3 के 2 के ऑपोजिट नहीं हो सकते. Similarly 1 भी 2 के ऑपोजिट नहीं हो सकता. Similarly 6 भी नहीं हो सकता. Means 3, 4, 1, 6 तो 2 के ऑपोजिट हो ही नहीं सकते. Because 2 फेस दिख रहा है तो बाकी की साइड 3 और 4 भी दिखाई दे रहा है. It means ऑपोजिट तो नहीं हो सकता. It means 3 भी आंसर नहीं है, 4 भी नहीं है, 6 भी नहीं है. So आंसर नंबर ऑप्शन नंबर C 5 is the right answer. Question number 8. Anil left home and cycled 10 kilometers southwards. So first we will write the east, west, north and south. East, west, north and south. Amit left and cycled 10 kilometers southwards. This is the 10 kilometer. Turned right and cycled 5 kilometers. Suppose A to B 10, B to C 5. Then turn right and cycle 10 kilometers. And turn left and cycle 10 kilometers. How many kilometers will he have to cycle to reach his home straight? Means A to F. So F to E is 10 and A to E is 5. So 10 plus 5, 15. So option number B is the right answer, 15 kilometers. Question number 9. Numismatic is related to coin in the same way as the paleontology is related to. This is the related to fossils. Option number C is the right answer. Question number 10. Find the odd one out. Means 4 पेयर से इसमें से odd one out कौन सा, different कौन सा है. Like 15 multiply by 2, 32 divided by 2, 16. So 16 minus 1 is equal to 15. 86 divided by 2, 43. So 43 minus 1, so answer is 42. Similarly in the option number D, 74 divided by 2, which is 37. So 37 minus 1, so answer is 36. And next is the 56 divided by 2, 28, and 28 minus 1 is 27. Means this option number C is different. A, B, D में ये follow कर रहा है but C follow नहीं कर रहा है. So option number C is the right answer. Question number 11. Which fraction comes next in the sequence? 1, 3, 5, 7 odd numbers है, तो next odd number is 9. 2, 4, 8, 16 and the second is 32. So answer is 9 by 32. Option number A is the right answer. Question number 12. The figure given below consists of three intersecting circles which represent sets of students who play tennis, badminton and volleyball. Each region in the figure is represented by a small letter on the basis of the above figure. Answer the questions given below. मीन्स जो ये फर्स्ट फिगर है पी, ये टेनिस को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है, क्यू बैडमिंटन को कर रहा है और आर वॉलीबॉल को कर रहा है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. विच लेटर रिप्रेजेंट द सेट ऑफ पर्सन हु प्ले ऑल थ्री स्पोर्ट्स या ऑल थ्री गेम्स. तो ऑल थ्री में जो भी कॉमन है, तो इसमें कॉमन सी कॉमन आ रहा है. सो ऑप्शन नंबर बी एंड आंसर इज सी, बिकॉज वो तीनों गेम्स में आ रहा है इन द ऑल थ्री गेम्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. Which letter represents the set of person who play tennis and volleyball but not badminton? Means badminton में नहीं आना चाहिए, टेनिस और वॉलीबॉल में आना चाहिए. So option number B is the right answer. Sorry, option number D, answer is B. Common in the tennis and the volleyball. Next, question number 14. Which letter represents the set of persons who play tennis but neither badminton nor volleyball, only for the tennis? So only for the tennis is A. So option A and answer is also A. Which letter represents the set of persons who play tennis and badminton but not volleyball? Volleyball में नहीं आना चाहिए, but tennis and badminton common होना चाहिए. तो tennis and badminton में common कौन है? Option number D. So option number D, C and answer is D. So this is the solutions of the math. Thank you very much.